Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the KTM 390 Enduro RP. If you're a fan of off-road adventure, high-performance bikes, and KTM's signature power-packed machines, this one's for you. The KTM 390 Enduro RP is built to bridge the gap between lightweight dual-sport motorcycles and serious off-road machines. KTM has taken the proven 390 platform and enhanced it for extreme terrain, making it a dream bike for adventure riders who want both power and agility in a compact package. At the heart of the KTM 390 Enduro RP is a 373cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This powerplant is based on the one found in the Duke and Adventure models but has been tuned for better low-end torque and off-road capability. With approximately 43 horsepower and 37 Nm of torque, this bike delivers a perfect balance of power and control. The fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response, and the 6-speed gearbox, combined with a slipper clutch, allows for effortless gear shifts even in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the KTM 390 Enduro RP is its lightweight chassis. The trellis frame, designed for rigidity and flexibility, provides excellent handling on rough trails. The bike's weight has been kept around 160 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver through tight trails, steep inclines, and rocky paths. The suspension system is another area where KTM has put in serious work. The WP Explorer forks at the front offer long travel, ensuring a plush ride over bumps and obstacles. At the rear, the WP shock absorber is fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup based on their riding style and terrain. The ground clearance is impressive, making it capable of tackling deep ruts, logs, and other off-road challenges. Braking is handled by high-performance Brembo-inspired calipers with a large front disc and a slightly smaller rear disc. The dual-channel ABS comes with an off-road mode, allowing riders to lock the rear wheel for better control in dirt and gravel conditions. For those who prefer full off-road control, the ABS can be completely disabled. The wheels and tires are designed specifically for off-road performance. The KTM 390 Enduro RP comes with a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, wrapped in aggressive knobby tires. This setup provides excellent traction on mud, sand, and rocks while maintaining stability on pavement. The spoked wheels add durability, ensuring they can withstand the harsh impacts of off-road riding. In terms of electronics, KTM has equipped the 390 Enduro RP with a TFT display that provides essential information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and navigation assistance. The bike also features ride-by-wire technology, allowing for smooth throttle response and better control. Riders can switch between different ride modes, adjusting power delivery and traction control based on the terrain. Ergonomics play a crucial role in any enduro bike, and KTM has ensured that the 390 Enduro RP is comfortable for long rides. The slim seat and narrow body make it easy to grip with the knees, providing better control during standing rides. The handlebar position is optimized for both seated and standing riding, making it ideal for tackling various terrains. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of this motorcycle. With a fuel tank capacity of around 13 to 14 liters, the KTM 390 Enduro RP offers a decent range for adventure riders. Combined with its efficient engine, this bike ensures fewer fuel stops and more time exploring off the beaten path. The KTM 390 Enduro RP is expected to be priced competitively, making it an excellent option for riders looking for an entry-level enduro bike with serious off-road capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned enduro rider or someone looking to transition from street riding to adventure riding, this bike is designed to meet your needs. Overall, the KTM 390 Enduro RP is a game-changer in the lightweight adventure and enduro segment. It combines KTM's racing DNA with practical features, offering a machine that's fun, reliable, and built for real adventure. From the powerful engine to the advanced suspension and cutting-edge electronics, this motorcycle is ready to take on any challenge you throw at it. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the KTM 390 Enduro RP, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this bike and if you'd consider getting one for your off-road adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.